also something a little interesting as well. Because we have this horrible thing here. But look what's up there. Still got the old trishail. What have I done to you, mate? Why did they put that fucking shit in? I should be flushing you. There we go. That gets the thumbs up. It's a piece of shit. Concept. But yeah, interesting. That gets that gets that. Much rather be flushing you, buddy. At least they did leave you here, you know. I need to put you back into use.